Okay, I got a 2020 Mazda CX30 key fob here. I'm going to show you how to replace the battery. This works for a lot of Mazdas that have this style of key fob, okay? If we look at it, the lock and unlock button is on the left side of the key fob. You're going to need a flathead screwdriver or a butter knife, and all you're going to do is you're going to just stick it. You're actually just going to pry this front cover off, okay? Again, the lock and unlock button is on the left side, okay? So you can go down in here and just snap it right off. It comes off really easily, okay? Now, once you take that off, the battery is a CR2032, and I'll leave a link down in the description box if you want to pick up a new one to make things nice and easy for you. But you just take your screwdriver or your butter knife and pry the battery out right here. And take note that the positive, it says positive right there, is facing up. Okay, so when you get your new remote battery, you just get it and you just stick it back in here, push it down in, positive up, and you get the cover and just snap it right back on. Okay, now with this remote I want to show you something else too. Okay, again, we have lock and unlock here. This back cover also comes off too, but you need to use the button you have right here. Okay, and you slide the slider button right here, you slide it up, then you can take this cover off on the back. Now when you take the cover off on the back, the key for the car is actually inside of it, okay? And this will allow you to get in the door. All right, and to put it back, you put it back on here. It won't snap on all the way. You're gonna have to push this slider button back up and snap it all back together to get it to stay. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, do me a favor and hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in the next one.